After setting up OAuth login with Google and GitHub, let's now protect your pages so only logged-in users can access certain routes. This is where private routes come in. What are private routes? Private routes are components that only render if a user is authenticated. Otherwise, redirect users to a login page or show an error. Let's add that logic into our React app. Step 1. Create a context for auth. Inside your // folder, create a new file, authcontext.js. Import React, create context, use effect, use state from React. Import onAuthStateChanged from Firebase Auth. Import auth from /Firebase config, const auth context. Export const auth provider equal children. Const user set user, use state, null. Const loading, set loading equals use state true. Use effect, const unsubscribe eats on auth state change auth current user, set loading false. Return is unsubscribe. Return AuthContext.provider value user loading children AuthContext.provider. Export const use auth equals use context auth context. This sets up global access to the user across your app. Step 2. Create a private route component. Create PrivateRoute.js. Import React from React. Import navigate from React-router DOM. Import useAuth from the auth context. Const private route equals children. Const user loading equals useAuth. If loading, return user, children. Export default private route. This component only renders children if the user is authenticated. Step 3. Set up routing with React Router. Install React Router. Bash npm install React Router DOM. Then update your app.js. Import React from React. Import browser router as router, routes, route from React Router.dom. Import auth provider from /AuthContext. Import private route from ./PrivateRoute. Import home from /home. Import dashboard from /dashboard. Protected page. Import login from /login. Login UI OAuth function app. Return router auth provider routes. Route path equals login element login. Route path equals /board element cloud dashboard out dashboard routes auth provider. Export default app. Step 4. Create basic pages. Home.js, import React from React. Import link from React-router DOM. Const home equals div style text align center margin top 50 page. Link to a /login so dashboard. Go to dashboard link of export default home. #login.js, OAuth from earlier. Reuse your existing OAuth code here or extract it from app.js. JSX/sar/login.js. Import React from React. Import sign in with pop-up from Firebase Auth. Import auth Google provider, GitHub provider from /Firebase config. Const login equals const login with Google equals async. Try. Await sign in with pop-up auth Google provider. Catch error, alert error.message. Const login with GitHub equals async. Try. Await sign in with pop-up auth GitHub provider. Catch error. Return div style text align center, margin top 50 ph1. Login on click, login with Google. Login with Google button on click, login with GitHub. Login with GitHub div. Export default login. JSX sarsh dashboard.js. Import React from React. Import auth from /Firebase config. Const dashboard equals const handle logouts auth.signout. Return div style text align center margin top 50 px h dashboard only visible to logged in users. Logout button div. Export default dashboard. Go to http:/localhost3000/dashboard directly. You get redirected to /login or / if not logged in. Log in using Google GitHub. Now visit /dashboard. You'll see the protected page. Click logout, back to unauthenticated state.